I have heard there is a tree at the end of the world, with a fleece of gold hanging in its branches.
I have heard this too.
Oh, everyone's heard that, mate. We are at the end of the world. Why is everyone always on about gold?
I want me gold!
Ooh, Doryanthes excelsa. Grows in dry sclerophyll forest and woodland on sandstone and partly clay soil. The huge leaves are sword-shaped, up to 2.5 metres long and 10 centimetres wide, and very glabrous. There's a scape that's about 5 metres high, bearing numerous much shorter leaves. Inflorescence is many-flowered, globose, to 70 centimetres in diameter, and the bracts are reddish. They grow from short, thickened underground stems. As the plant grows, the roots contract and pull the entire plant deeper into the soil to protect it against fire and drought. While they grow in dry sclerophyll forests, these plants are highly resilient. After a bushfire destroys the leaves, a new massive rosette of leaves can emerge quickly. Doryanthes is a genus of only 2 species, and both are endemic to Australia. This is excelsa, has an upright spike, while its cousin Palmeri has a drooping spike. There are bigger monocots, and Agave americana has similar rosette leaves, but the inflorescence is branched. So if it's got branches, it ain't Doryanthes. The plant's bright blood-red tubular flowers specifically attract birds, which are its main pollinators, but it also attracts butterflies, bees and other insects. The fruit is a woody capsule which splits open on ripening in January or February to release the brown, flattened and slightly winged seeds. The other species, Palmeri, occurs in the McPherson Ranges of southeastern Queensland and nowhere else. Most of our videos are made around Woy Woy, famous for its ancient clock tower. Over to you, Jim.
Commissioned in 1346 and partly funded by the Medici, this splendid example of early medieval Gothic revival architecture, replete with Rococo flourishes, influenced style across Europe for 500 years, and easily eclipses other examples, the shoddy Nuremberg Frauenkirche, for instance. Interesting note: It's the only medieval clock tower to have employed pebblecrete and Berger jet dry in its construction. Furthermore, what? It was built in 1986. That's not what I heard. Okay, scrap all that. Tune in next week when we interview a resident who says he was goosed by aliens.
Stenocarpus sinuatus. There are about 30 species in the genus Stenocarpus. Most are found in New Caledonia. There are about 7 species native to Australia. Sinuatus occurs in nature as a tree to about 30 metres. It's used as a street tree also. The dark glossy leaves may be entire or lobed and grow quite large. How large? I'm not at liberty to say. The flowers are bright red in umbels in a circular formation. Flowers form mostly between February and March. The fruit is a follicle in a boat shape, about 10 centimetres long. Inside there are many thin seeds to 12 millimetres long. Fruit matures from January to July. So it's used as a street tree, and this is where we found this specimen. Triboniophorus graphi, red triangle slug. Species of air-breathing land slug, a terrestrial pulmonate gastropod mollusk. It's in the family Athorachoridae, the leafed veined slugs, native to eastern Australia. Australia's largest native land slug. Well, that's it. Farewell.